Question 3 is now looking slightly different from the other two in that I have got a negative power here, so I can't use the first expansion. The other problem I've got is that if I'm going to use the second expansion, the first term has to be 1. Well, I can solve that by pulling out 2, but it has to be 2 to the power of minus 2. 1 minus 5 over 2x to the minus 2. That's looking a little bit more hopeful now, particularly since the modulus of x is limited to being less than 2/5, so that means that the second term is going to be, modulus of the second term will be less than 1. So the second form of expansion can be used. So 2 to the power of minus 2 is 1/4. And starting off with my expansion again, 1 plus minus 2 minus 5 over 2x plus minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 over 2x squared all over 2 exclamation mark plus minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 over 2x cubed all over 3 exclamation mark. So that is my expansion there. Basically now that's just calculator work. Checking out the signs, well, the first one's going to be 1, so that's going to be positive, times by 1/4. And the next one, that's also going to be positive, because I've got a minus times a minus, times that by 1/4, so plus 5 over 4x. Looking at the next one, minus times a minus is a plus, minus squared is going to be plus, so all these terms are going to be plus. And using a calculator, 75 over 16x squared. And again, just checking, they're all minus times minus times minus to minus, minus cubed is minus, so again it's going to be plus. That's pretty much confirmed that now. With a calculator, 125 over 8x cubed. So the trick for doing these is to be completely methodical, set everything out, at least how I would do it, is set everything out in longhand to start with, and then using a calculator to crunch the numbers at the end.